How to beat the algorithm as a small creator. Hello Moneymakers, did you know now is the best time to start a YouTube channel? Day by day, people are switching from TV to watching YouTube, and the consumption is increasing at a very high rate. And even YouTube have started pushing small creators as well. I know you don't trust me. Imagine scrolling through YouTube and stumbling upon a channel with only 4 videos. Sounds like a newbie, right?
Yes!
But wait, this channel has a staggering 80,000 subscribers, and their first video? It's racked up a jaw-dropping 400,000 views. How is that even possible? Well, let me tell you, my friend, it's all about cracking the YouTube algorithm. See, YouTube recently changed its rules to give small creators like you and me a fighting chance. They saw how TikTok was giving small accounts a chance to shine, so they decided to do the same. This means if you're just starting out, YouTube might actually help promote your videos. Pretty cool, huh? But here's the catch. It's not just about quantity anymore, it's about quality. Gone are the days when you could spam YouTube with a bunch of mediocre videos and hope for the best. Nope. Now you've got to make stuff that people actually want to watch, stuff that keeps them glued to the screen. So how do you do that? First things first, pick a topic you're super passionate about. Whether it's gaming, makeup, cooking, or even vlogging about your day, it should be something that gets you excited. Trust me, your enthusiasm will shine through in your videos and keep your viewers coming back for more. Next up, you've got to plan out your videos. Think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. You don't need a fancy script or anything, but having a rough idea of what you're going to talk about can really help keep things on track. Now, let's talk about making your videos look good. You don't need a fancy camera or expensive equipment. Just use whatever you've got lying around. Your smartphone works just fine. And when it comes to editing, there are plenty of free or cheap apps out there that can help you make your videos look polished and professional. Oh, and don't forget about titles and thumbnails. These are what make people want to click on your videos, so make sure they're eye-catching and interesting. A good title and thumbnail combo can mean the difference between your video getting a few views and it going viral. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of editing. Editing is where the magic happens. It's what turns a bunch of random clips into a cohesive, engaging video. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, there are plenty of tools and resources out there to help you level up your editing game. From simple cuts and transitions to more advanced effects and graphics, the possibilities are endless. And when it comes to talking in your videos, don't worry if you're not a natural. There are cool tools out there that can make your voice sound awesome, even if you're a bit shy. Or if you're really not comfortable talking on camera, you can always do a voiceover or use text instead. Once your video's ready, it's time to share it with the world. But remember, YouTube takes a bit of time to decide if your video's any good, so be patient. Keep an eye on how many people are watching, and for how long. That'll tell you if you're doing something right. In short, being a small YouTuber is pretty cool right now. If you're passionate and you're willing to put in the work, you could be the next big thing. So don't wait, get out there. Make awesome videos and have fun doing it. And when you're ready, hit that upload button and let the world see what you've got. Do you know? Promise that creating this type of video requires lots of efforts and time. Therefore, I'm just asking for a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. It will absolutely not cost you anything, but it would mean a world to me. Thanks for watching this video.